Hi, I'm Hugh Gollidge, Chief Executive Officer of the Humane Slaughter Association. I want to talk to you about something that doesn't always get the attention it deserves. Every year, billions of animals are produced for food. Practices vary enormously across the world, and the gap between what's possible and what actually happens on the ground can be vast. The HSA exists to close that gap through evidence-based research, hands-on training, and influence over policy and best practice. We fund research, we train the people working directly with animals, and we work with governments and industries around the world to raise the bar on what best practice looks like. It's detailed and unglamorous work, but it matters because the science tells us the way animals are handled, transported, and slaughtered has a direct and measurable impact on their welfare, and it can always be improved. And when it is, billions of animals benefit. We receive no government funding. Every piece of research we commission, every training program we deliver, every policy submission we make is all made possible by people like you. Please consider supporting our annual appeal this year. You can donate via the link in the description or at hsa.org.uk. Thank you so much.